Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unveil the secrets to healthy relationships. Are you ready to crack the code? Let's get started. 1. Trust is the foundation of every strong relationship. Without trust, cracks can appear. Communication is key to building trust. Be open, be honest, and most importantly, be a good listener. 2. Laughter, the magical glue that keeps couples bonded. Don't forget to have fun. Share inside jokes, create funny memories, and let laughter be the soundtrack to your relationship. 3. Sharing responsibilities is essential for a balanced relationship. Cooking, cleaning, and taking care of each other go a long way in building a solid foundation. Remember, you're a team. 4. Adventure awaits. Exploring new experiences together strengthens the bond. Whether it's hiking, traveling, or trying new activities, embrace the thrill of discovery and create memories that will last a lifetime. 5. Physical affection is a powerful way to connect. Hugs, kisses, and cuddles release oxytocin, a hormone that promotes trust and love. So, don't be shy to show some love. 6. Emotional support is crucial. Be there for each other through the ups and downs. Validate feelings, provide comfort, and be a shoulder to lean on. Remember, empathy goes a long way. 7. Quality over quantity. Make time for each other, even in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Put away distractions, be present, and cherish the moments you share. 8. Conflict is normal, but how you handle it determines the strength of your relationship. Listen without judgment, communicate respectfully, and work towards finding common ground. Remember, compromise is key. Closing thoughts. Healthy relationships take effort, they take commitment, but the rewards are immeasurable. So, embrace these secrets, crack the code of love, and build a relationship that stands the test of time. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video about the secrets behind healthy relationships. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more relationship tips. Until next time, take care and keep those relationships strong.